Maurice's gas tank can hold 60 liters of gas. On your paper, copy and label the percent ruler below. Then use it to find how many liters are in the tank when it is, and then we're given A, B, and C, where you have 50% full, 7/10 full, or 2/5 full. So in this word problem, the gas, when it's full, it's 60 liters. So go ahead and pause the video so you can copy the percent ruler. Notice that they have the 60 liters already there for showing full tank, and that means 100%. So, and also notice that they counted by 10%. So 10, 20, 30, and on. So when you're doing that, make sure you have equal pieces. So our job is to find the questions like at 50% and on. Okay, so on my percent ruler, this is representing total. So 100% or the whole is 60 liters. So the gas is recorded on the bottom and the percents are recorded on top, the gas in liters. So I'm going to have you do A on your own. So go ahead and label where the 50% is, and then how do you make, from 100 to 50, how many parts do you have in your ruler, and using that total of 60 liters. So I'm going to help you with B. So let's see, we are being asked to find 7 out of 10, or 7/10 of a gas. So we did do counted by tenths, so we have 10 equal pieces, so 7/10, so let's record that. So 7/10 is the same as the 7 piece. So this is the first piece, and this is the 5th piece, so 6, so that will represent 70%. Also, we can record a 70 over 100, which does make 70%. So in this case, it's the 7 piece that we're looking for. So what will be the liters in that? So let's go ahead and find the 10%. So the 10% gives us the 1 piece we want, and then we can find any other piece, including 7 pieces of 10. So how do we find 1 piece of 10? So we have 60. Oops, let me use the pen. So let's see. So 60 is the 100%. I'm going to divide it by 10 so that I can find the 10%. And I'm going to write it over here. So 10% is what we're looking for in terms of liters. So this will be 6. So each of the 10% parts is 6 liters. And we can say 6L for liters, like the way they did it, of gas. Now, how many pieces are we looking for? We're looking for 7. So if 1 piece is 6, go ahead and find out how many will be 7 pieces. So that will be your answer for letter B. Now for letter C, let's record the fraction. So it says 2/5. So when we have 2/5, we need to kind of look at, we divided by 5. So one idea is, well, we already have it divided into 10 pieces. So can you make the 5 into 10? Or if I skip count, let's see, every 2 pieces, so that's 1 piece. So my red pieces will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's counting by 5s. So if I'm looking for 2/5, I'm gonna keep using, let's see, I'm gonna highlight it in blue. So 2 pieces of 5 will be all these. So that will be 2/5. Now you can also see, well, what percent is that? So on my picture, looks like 40%. So there's multiple ways you can do letter C, and again, I just gave you an idea. I could also say, well, this 20% piece, it's 2 of the 6, so that's 12. So let me record that. So 12 liters. So go ahead and finish letter C on your own and use any of the idea I suggested on your own.